sensor project using two transistors. Okay, D88P. You can see here D88P. Two transistors are used in this circuit. This is the first transistor. Okay, terminals are E, C, B, emitter, collector, base. Okay, like that. Same another D882P transistor is used in the circuit. Next 330 ohm resistor. Next we require 100 ohm resistor, one LED, and this is the copper coil. And lastly we use 3.7 volt battery. Let's start the connection. Take D882P transistor, emitter, collector, base. Okay. For collector, we connect 100 ohm resistor. Okay. Same. Take another D882P transistor. Okay, emitter of D88P transistor. Okay, emitter of the second transistor is connected to base of the first transistor. Okay, next. Okay, second transistor collector. Okay, for that we connect 330 ohm resistor. This is the 330 ohm resistor connected to collector of the transistor. Now connect one LED. Take LED. Okay, connect positive to 330 ohm resistor. Okay, negative of the LED is connected to 100 ohm resistor. One copper coil to connect base of the second transistor. Next, take 3.7 volt battery. Negative is connected to emitter of the first transistor. Take positive of the battery is connected to LED positive. So let's test this circuit. Heat when is the soldering gun. When we touch to this copper coil, okay, here indicator is on. When we touch this soldering gun to this copper wire, indication will on, is on. Here is the heating element, heated. How the indicator is glowing, see here. Okay, it is a heat sensor circuit.